An intriguing topic has emerged amidst the current alarming situation of a third world war happening worldwide. Investors around the world fear that if a war is to happen, how will they protect their assets and investments? More importantly, some strategic investors are trying to find opportunities in these days of chaos. They want to know what asset or investment types are good investments to hold during times of war. Well, we are here to share our knowledge about which investments can turn gold for you in these troubled times, so keep on watching. During times of war, it's natural to seek investments that provide stability and security. One of the most attractive options is precious metals. Gold, often referred to as the ultimate safe haven, has been a store of value for centuries. It's a tangible asset that doesn't rely on the performance of any government or company. During wartime, when currencies can rapidly lose value, gold retains its purchasing power. Investors flock to gold as a way to preserve their wealth. Silver holds similar appeal. It's not only a precious metal, but also an industrial metal, which means it has dual utility. During war, the demand for industrial applications may decrease, but its intrinsic value remains, making it a more accessible option for investors who may not be able to afford large quantities of gold. These precious metals are globally recognized and traded, offering liquidity and a degree of safety when traditional financial markets are fluctuating. Essentially, they serve as a hedge against economic uncertainty, making them war-resistant investments that have stood the test of time. Real estate also has its appeal during wartime. While real estate markets can be affected by economic downturns, the demand for physical property often remains stable. Land, commercial properties, and residential real estate can serve as hedges against uncertainty, especially when they're in prime locations. Bonds, particularly government bonds, are another wise choice. During war, governments often issue bonds to finance their efforts. Bonds provide investors with regular interest payments, known as coupon payments. During war, governments frequently issue bonds to finance their efforts, which means investors can rely on a predictable income stream. This income can serve as a financial lifeline, especially when other investments might be underperforming. Bonds are generally considered less risky than stocks. When you invest in a bond, you're essentially lending money to a government or corporation in exchange for regular interest payments and the return of your principal at maturity. This makes them a safer option for risk-averse investors who want to protect their capital during uncertain times. While bonds offer numerous advantages during wartime, don't forget that it's essential to consider factors like interest rates, bond duration, and the financial stability of the bond issuer, because no real investment can be 100% risk-free. Another option to go for investing is in defense stocks. Companies in sectors like healthcare, utilities, and consumer staples tend to perform more consistently during turbulent times. These businesses provide essential goods and services that people rely on, making them resilient investments. In times of war, having some cash reserves can be a smart strategy. Cash offers flexibility and the ability to seize opportunities that may arise. It can also provide a safety net in case of emergencies. When other investments are volatile, cash remains stable. Diversification is a golden rule in investing, and during war, it becomes even more important. International investments can help spread risk. Consider investing in assets from countries not directly involved in the conflict, which can provide a degree of insulation from the war's economic impact. In recent years, cryptocurrencies have emerged as an alternative investment during times of war. While they come with higher volatility, some investors see them as a hedge against traditional financial systems. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin are often considered a store of value, much like gold. It's important to remember that war can significantly impact the economy and financial markets. When considering investments during wartime, stay informed about global events, geopolitical factors, and economic trends. Anticipate how these changes may affect your investments. Investments are all about keeping an eye on the market changes, predicting future values of assets so that you can make a decision ahead of the market downfall. Needless to say, investing during times of war requires a balanced approach. Diversify your portfolio. Consider safe haven assets like precious metals and bonds, and keep a portion of your holdings in cash for flexibility. Remember that while certain investments can weather the storm, there are no guarantees. Always consult with a financial advisor to make your investment strategy to your specific goals and risk tolerance. We hope this video has shed light on the types of investments that can provide stability and security during times of war. Remember that each investment has its unique characteristics and risks, so it's a must that you align your choices with your financial goals and risk tolerance. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more valuable content. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video.